Hey, it's Dr. Bob here. We had an in-person open house last Thursday and it was so incredible. We love welcoming people into our space and showing them what we've been working on. It was pretty well attended. We met new people who were interested in what we were sharing. We had friends who have been supporting us since day one when this was just like an idea. But we also recognize that maybe some people weren't able to make it. So I was thinking maybe we'll do a virtual open house. So I'm kind of hiding in the hallway, but I'm gonna take you to where the elevators are and then show you what it's like coming off the elevator. So that's the elevator. And then you would see our Inner Peace logo. And then welcome into our waiting room. Hopefully you find this space calming. We have a drink station here where you could help yourself to some tea, coffee, a water dispenser, some brochures of some of the events that we have going on. Our beautiful sign created by Divine Sign at Schaumburg. And then we have our beautiful reception desk that Kenwood Furniture found for us. And when patients come in or clients come in, they'll check in on our tablet. And then they'll have a seat over here. And the clinicians will come out and receive them. Some treats, some magazines, reading material. And then, of course, come as you are, one of my favorite signs here. Okay, let's keep going. So this is our hallway, our storage, our closet. We're gonna go this way first. We're going to go to the summit, which is our conference room. This is where we often meet for meetings, group supervision. We also transform this space to do workshops and other trainings. Our workshops, we have it once every 2 months or so, and they're all themed. So this upcoming one is going to be in March. It's called Emerging After Winter, Managing Anxiety. So what we do is we try to combine psychoeducational resources or concepts, psychological concepts with sound healing. Back in January or earlier this month, we did one on intentions, like setting intentions for 2026. We worked on values versus goals from Russ Harris's ACT and talked about that. We did some vision board, and then Victoria finished it out with some sound healing. This is our employee kitchen, where we get to come and take a break and relax, give ourselves a little bit of sustenance. This was put up for the open house that we haven't had the chance to take down yet. What does inner peace mean to you? We got some really great ideas. Being in alignment, feeling connected, acceptance, that's a great one. And we go down this hall here. We do psych testing. So this is one of our psych testing office. We do psych testing from ages 6 to 90. We test a bunch of things like ADHD, autism, mood disorders, personality disorders, mostly anything that you can think of we will try to accommodate, but always call our office and see if we could help in any sort of way. This is Insight. Oh, the other room was called Focus. This room is called Insight. It's another one of our testing rooms. Forgot to put that box away. Whoops. And then this is our family / couples, individual therapy room. This is one of our larger rooms called Harmony. It's one of my favorites. It's very, hopefully you find it to be a calming space here. Let's keep going. We do provide individual therapy, family counseling, family parent training, couples therapy for various conditions, anxiety, depression, mood-related disorder, life transitions. This is Lotus. And we have about 9 clinicians, all with different treatment modality, some with CBT, existential integrative, DBT, ACT. This is Resonance. This is our sound therapy room. If you follow Victoria on social media, she has it all set up really beautifully, and it's probably a better representation than what I'm offering right now. But it's been amazing working with her. She and I have shared some clients in the past, and with me, maybe they hold a lot of tension in their body, and I would send them to Victoria, and she does some magic with them, and it just makes them feel so relaxed, and we are able to work on that. They get relaxed, they come to therapy, and it's just really amazing to see them transform and learn so much more about themselves. Our next room here is Sunbeam. It's called Sunbeam, and you're going to figure out why. It's beautiful yellow color. It's another one of our therapist's office. Maybe back up so you can see the full picture here. We hope to create a warm, inviting space where it's non-judgmental, safe. Oh, I need to show you one of my favorite things about this office. So this is the Sage Room. We got these signs from Etsy, but look at that. So cute. Maybe change it to available right now. Okay. This is Sage. This is one of my favorite rooms. So calming. I love this green color. And then some items here that I've collected from grad school, such as that painting. A friend of mine gave me that while I was in postdoc. And another friend gave me that after we graduated, the Rorschach-like print. And then a warmie. Of course, we need warmies. And then this is one of my favorite signs at the office, too. This says, "I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become." From Carl Jung. Great quote. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, this is our Meet the Team board. We had this up for the open house so people can see our faces, know what our specialties are. We also had some flyers up for our upcoming events or offerings like group therapy, our workshop. This one's pretty cool. Dr. Mahoney will be starting this at the end of February, called the Your Hero's Journey therapy group. And by using comics and storytelling, her goal is to explore people's identities, values, emotions, and any challenges. It's going to be pretty amazing. So if you think of anybody who could benefit, it's in person in Schaumburg at 999 North Plaza Drive, Suite 380, where we're located. I couldn't ask for a better team. These people are amazing, and the level of knowledge and expertise is incredible. And I really do trust them. I trust them with my patients. It's important that we provide quality patient care, and part of that is making sure that our team is trained, knowledgeable, and reliable. That's important in therapy too. One program that we have is called Pathways to Peace program. That's something that I'm very, very proud of. We want to make therapy affordable and accessible as much as possible. One way that we want to give back to the community is offering therapy for those who demonstrate financial need. So maybe these are people who can't afford insurance, or maybe in college and they only offer 6 sessions or something like that, like brief therapy. And so we want to offer this. Our master's level intern, Grace, over here, she is supervised by one of a licensed clinical psychologist, Dr. Satoris, and I'm also there to support her as well. And we provide 45-minute sessions for $20. And so you're getting the price of 2 clinicians. You're getting 2 clinicians for the price of $20 per hour. So I think it's hopefully meet the need of the community. And then our flyer for psych testing. All right, final room. It's called the Grove. It's one of my favorite rooms. It's our playroom. We need to change these signs. So it's one of my favorite rooms because it's super fun in here. I've designed it to make it look like a living room as much as possible. We want it to be fun and welcoming to our children and adolescents who may find therapy kind of boring, not gonna lie. And we want to utilize play, storytelling, games, maybe movies, shows, appropriate movies and shows, let me be clear about that, to engage them in the therapeutic process. So, these games, even the video games that we choose, are meant to help with emotional regulation, communication, collaboration. For example, we have some co-op games where one person has to do one part of the task and the other person will have to do another part of the task, and they have to work together and complete the mission together. So hopefully they find it more engaging and less intimidating. Like therapy can be uncomfortable, asking to share your feelings and thoughts sometimes, and this is one way for us to help with making therapy a more welcoming space. Our dollhouse, we had some kids playing with this, so you can see that our little characters had a party. They look like they were having a really good time. All right. I hope you enjoy the tour. Thanks for everyone's support. We hope to continue to grow and do wonderful things for the community. Thank you for everybody. Thank you to everybody who has been supportive in our journey. And we really couldn't have done this without all your support and guidance and love. So thanks for everything, and we'll post more pictures and videos. All right, bye.